Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to make payments on your Bluevine credit line. Now once you've borrowed from your Bluevine credit line, keeping up with payments is essential to maintain good standing and credit health. Here's how to make payments step by step. The first step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard online or through the mobile app. Then go to the credit line section and then select payments. Now review your outstanding balance and minimum payments due. Bluevine will show both the amounts as well as the due dates. Choose your payment method. You can pay directly from your Bluevine business checking account or link an external bank account for transfers. Enter the payment amount. You can pay just the minimum, the full balance, or a custom amount. Confirm and submit the payment once everything looks good, and then you can check the confirmation message to ensure that the payment was processed successfully. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.